Alright YouTube, in this video I'm going to show you how this servo on axle mount right here goes on. I bought this thing off either Amazon or eBay. I'll take a quick screenshot and show you. Pretty simple. It actually works out a lot better than I thought it would. I was pretty worried that I wouldn't like it, but it definitely is simple. Just like anybody else in this world, simple is great. So, comes with 2 screws. You got a short screw, got a super long screw, and then of course you got your little bitty lock nut. So that goes on a super long screw. So I've sat here and fiddled around with this thing for a second because they don't send any instructions, of course. But it looks like that thing will go just like that. And you'll put your short screw in this side where the panhard bar used to go. Then your long screw will run all the way through, link bars and all. So fairly simple setup. There you go. I'm going to run this in just a little bit with it. 2.5 hex. I don't know if you can see that or not. Yeah, probably not. 2.5 hex. So we're going to stick it in our little hyper tough drill. Run in there a little bit. So that's basically that. Of course, you'll have your 4 link bars on it. I'm running this under a Gen 7, so it's perfect for me. 100% exactly what I want. There you go. So that's all there is to it. Time you throw on a servo, it ought to set about right where you want it. Be about right there. So we'll see if it all works out as good underneath this Gen 7 chassis. Rear end's already under it though, so we're going to be replacing that big old thing here. And one of the main reasons I'm replacing it is my son Paxton drives it like he stole it, and he breaks front axles very frequently, and that gets super expensive. When you're talking $15, $20 a pop for the cheap ones that he snaps every 2 or 3 packs, or the more expensive ones are like $30 that he snaps every 10 packs or something. That's a lot. So this ought to make our dependability go up and give him a whole lot more ground clearance. I mean a whole lot more. So same tires, same everything. I'm gonna hold this here. Here, let's see if I can zoom out a little bit. So there's your front end. You can see how much ground clearance you don't have. And just spin this dude around. There's your rear end. I mean, it's not even comparable. Especially when you start figuring that these are supposed to be stronger axles. Alright guys, here's your finished product. Get her under there. My drive shafts are in it. There's your mount. That's what it looks like. You can't hardly tell. I just reused the same servo. This nifty little thing is adjustable. I thought it looked cool. I bought it off Amazon or something. I tried to sling a link in here real quick. Yeah, there's a Gen 7 with a TRX4 axle under it, and you can't really tell, but I utilize the 2 mounting points down in there for the Y bars. And of course all the links are wore out on this thing. Get back here where you can see it. I tightened the rear end up, put some links under it. Didn't change them all. I should have changed these, but just kind of going on. It was about to fall out from under it, so I'll have to buy some new ends and put on it. But hey, for as old as this thing is, can't complain. I'll stick a battery in here and let you see it work. Alright guys, there she is. Thing does great. Everything you want. Of course, this side over here, you flex it up real good. Flexes great. This other side, you flex it. It flexes great, but now if you cram the rear end down and try to go all the way, I don't know if I called it there now that I moved, but the frame actually contacts that little Y bar on the all the way down compression, but it's such a small amount, who cares? There she is.